We have two sets of words that are not the same. Male and female, masculine and feminine. Male and female are biological. They require a body, they require genetics. Masculine and feminine are cosmological. Every society in the history of the world has seen that yin and yang, the masculine and the feminine, are not limited to humans or even just to animals. Masculinity and femininity are archetypes. Archetypes are built into the nature of things. Most of us today think that's projection of our own sexuality into the universe. That makes us strangers to the universe. The God who invented human sexuality also invented the universe. The two fit. It's a much happier philosophy. We fit the nature of things.
The oldest religions that ever existed, they were based on this complementarity of the feminine and the masculine. The Quran and the Bible, both of them start with the letter B. The Old Testament starts with Bereshit, bara Elohim, at the beginning, God created. And the Quran starts with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, also with B, because A is number 1 and B is number 2, saying that this world, our world, starts with 2. And from it goes to multiplicity, reminding us of the unity, to which we all shall return.
One of the fascinating things about the book of Genesis is the way in which, though some people have rubbished it and said this is just pre-scientific meanderings, in fact the more you look at it, the more profound it becomes in terms of an understanding which does cross all sorts of cultures. As the story in Genesis 1 unfolds, we discover that there are all sorts of other things in God's creation which are likewise supposed to be complementaries. We have not only heaven and earth, we have the sea and the dry land. And then within the animal kingdom, we have, of course, male and female. And then the story reaches its great climax with the creation of human beings in the image of God. And so right there at the start of the whole Bible as we have it, in the start of the book of Genesis, we have this rich symbolic account of God's good creation, which then has male plus female at the heart of it, as itself a signpost pointing to that great complementarity of God's whole creation of heaven and earth together. Cross-culturally, it seems clear that all cultures across time have known that there is something complementary about maleness and femaleness. In our own culture today, people try to erase those differences.